system process. For the first part is a fuel tank. Basically, a holding tank for your fuel. When you fill up at the gas station, the gas travels down the filler tube and into the tank. In the tank, there is a sending unit which tells the gas gauge how much gas is in the tank. In recent years, the gas tank has become a little more complicated, as it now often houses the fuel pump and has more emissions control to prevent vapors leaking into the air. Then they are going to the fuel line and go through the fuel return and going to the fuel emission control, then charcoal canister, then going to the fuel filter. For the fuel filter, the clean fuel is critical to engine life and performance. Fuel injectors and carburetors have tiny openings which clog easily, so filtering the fuel is a necessity. Filters can be before or after the fuel pump, sometimes both. They are most often made from a paper element but can be stainless steel or synthetic material and are designed to be disposable in most cases. Some performance fuel filters will have a washable mesh which eliminated the need for replacement. After the fuel filter, we are going to the fuel pump. For the fuel pump, on newer cars, the fuel pump is usually installed in the fuel tank. Older cars have the fuel pump attached to the engine or on the frame rail between the tank and the engine. If the pump is in the tank or on the frame rail, then it is electric and is run by your car's battery. Fuel pumps mounted to the engine use the motion of the engine to pump the fuel, most often being driven by the camshaft, but sometimes the crankshaft. And lastly, the fuel going to the carburetor. For the carburetor, a carburetor takes the fuel and mixes it with air without computer intervention. While simple in operation, they tend to need frequent tuning and rebuilding. This is why most newer cars have done away with carburetors in favor of fuel injection. Thank you. That's all for our fuel system process.